Learn how to create this awesome parallax effect in Premiere Pro. Start by selecting your clip in the timeline. Go to the Effect Controls panel, making sure the playhead is at the start of your clip. Click the stopwatch icon next to Scale and change the value to 120. Now move to the end of your clip and change the scale value back to 100. Next, duplicate your clip by holding the Alt key while dragging it to the track above. Select this top clip and navigate to its second keyframe using the arrow next to the scale property. Change the scale value to 140. Return to the beginning of the timeline. With the top clip still selected, go to Opacity and choose the Free Draw tool. Create a rough mask around your main subject by outlining it in the preview window. Connect your final point to the starting point to complete the mask. In the Effect Controls, adjust the mask feather value to around 70 and set mask expansion to approximately 20.